So get extra 500 discount on Amazon and Flipkart. So here you can see there is a coupon valid till 13th November on Amazon. Okay, so you can maybe see this in the reward sections maybe. Okay, and let's see the price of Samsung M51 here. Where is it? Okay, so flat 3000 discount is still there on SBI cards. Okay, and get 500 cashback as Amazon Pay balance. So that offer is still there. Okay, so you will get 3500 off. Okay, and if you have SBI credit card, you can pay the bill using cred, and you will get 2% extra off on the first transaction. And one more way to get extra cashback is use uh, my link of this. Okay, so I will provide it in the description below, and I will also put the my website link. Okay, so you can check that out, and I will give you some extra cashback, maybe whatever I get in that you can say Amazon affiliation program. And then in the Flipkart, so while doing some transactions, I got this reward. Okay, so this is the reward I have got, and this is the offer details you can see here. Okay, so here this mobiles you will get extra 500 off. Okay, so make some UPI transaction and you will get this, and you just need to go to order now, open the Flipkart. Okay, and here you need to just click here and paste that promo code. Okay, and it will automatically reduce the price of those mobiles by 500. Okay, so in this also you will get 10% discount on major credit cards. Okay, another way to pay the credit card bill is MobiQuick. Okay, so see, you can see I have already applied, so 500 is also reduced in my account for me. Okay, and see the 10% discount is there. If you have Flipkart access, you will get extra 5% cashback, so maybe you will get 2250. So that's it. If you like it. Okay, so this is my website, the cashback shop. So here I have applied for Flipkart and Amazon affiliate or something like program, where they give me some discount, so I will get the discount to you. So for Flipkart I haven't got the link yet, and for Amazon you can go to the Amazon using this button. Okay, and so you can fill out the Google form. Okay, so I'll put a link here. Okay, so it is active right now, so just I will put a Google form link. So just you can, after placing the order, you can fill that form out. Okay, and the extra cashback I will give it to you in the Paytm. Okay, okay, that's it guys. Thanks.